Bitdefender Antivirus app. The pros, the cons. The Bitdefender Antivirus app is one of the most trusted tools for protecting devices from malware, ransomware, and online threats. Most people get this wrong by assuming their devices are safe without antivirus, but here's the surprising truth: new threats appear every day, and even casual browsing can put your data at risk. A major pro of this app is its real-time protection. It scans files, apps, and websites automatically, blocking malicious activity before it reaches your system. For example, if you download an infected file or visit a phishing site, Bitdefender will alert you immediately and quarantine the threat. Another advantage is the app's performance. You won't believe how lightweight it is compared to older antivirus programs. It runs efficiently in the background without slowing down your device. It also includes features like access, anti-theft tools, and secure browsing for sensitive transactions. The app provides detailed security reports showing detected threats, blocked attacks, and system health. This transparency helps users understand risks and take proactive steps to protect themselves. Bitdefender also offers multi-device coverage, making it ideal for families or small businesses. On the downside, some advanced features, like the full VPN or parental controls, may require subscription. Additionally, no antivirus can guarantee 100% protection, so safe browsing habits remain crucial. In conclusion, the Bitdefender Antivirus app is a comprehensive solution for anyone looking to secure their digital devices. With real-time protection, minimal performance impact, and additional security tools, it provides robust defense against modern threats. Regular updates and mindful usage make it a reliable choice for personal and professional digital safety.